what we have here are 4 automated weather stations which send directly to a dedicated computer we have here, send the information every 15 minutes. And that information then is automatically processed. You know, let's say this is for Powell, for example, and then goes to a system that puts online the information. For example, for Powell, what we have here is the current conditions. Right now, the temperature there outside is 83 degrees. The relative humidity is 32. Let's see what else is important here to show. There is no pretty much there is no wind. It's just 2 miles per hour wind. We also have soil temperature and soil moisture. And anyway, we have a 7-day summary. We have the graphs of current conditions. This is how air temperature varies during 2 days actually. This is 48 hours air temperature. This is wind chill, dew point, and so on. But we have something very interesting here, which is the reference evapotranspiration, which is very important for irrigation. Of course, this is rainfall. Pretty much it doesn't rain here, it's all time 0. We also provide graph for 30 days, so the producer can have a picture of what happened during the last month. This is air temperature and dew point, wind chill, and so on. Now I'll show you again here. This is the rainfall we got during the last 30 days. Has been pretty much wet. Yeah. This is solar radiation, and this is the reference evapotranspiration during the month. So.
Now, how did you get to this website? Where is this posted, Axel?
Well, the website, you can go to the website if you go to www.wawn.net. And WAWN stands for Wyoming Agricultural Weather Network.
Okay.
Okay.
So this isn't linked on your station website?
It's everything controlled here. Yeah, we have a dedicated computer for that.
But this website link, if I go to the Powell R&E Center
No, it's not linked yet.
Okay.
We launched today, actually.
Oh.
Yeah, we launched today. It's
cool.
It's a new thing. It was launched today officially. Of course, this project was supported by the University of Wyoming, the Department of Plant Sciences, and some of our financial support came from the Washakie County Conservation District. So.
Then I'm going to ask you some questions.
Sure.
You started this, so last year or 2 years ago. This has been a while in the making, hasn't it?
Oh, well, I came up with the idea since I came here, but what I did at the beginning was to install the weather stations. Then Washakie County Conservation District and the Wyoming Sugar in Worland approached to me, and they said, why we don't put that stuff online? So I said, well, this is what I want, but I have no money for that. So they supported me. So the Washakie County Conservation District gave me the money, and so I worked with this, and of course I had the help of a technician too.
And that's in here, Worland, Sheridan, and Tingle?
And here too. One in Powell and one at the Hart Mountain Irrigation District.
Okay.
Yes.
And then Sheridan?
Sheridan is at the experiment station, and Worland is in a field of the Wyoming Sugar.
Okay. And there's the one in Lingle too?
No.
Okay.
There are actually in Lingle there are 2 automated weather stations at the research at SARIC.
I see.
But what happened with that? Those stations are not UW, are Nebraska stations.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Don't put that. Yes,
Okay.
are Nebraska.
Okay then, Axel, I got to ask that. Why? It's a stupid question, but I have to ask it.
No, please.
Why is this of use to producers? I mean, this information is out there now, so why is this important for the producers?
Yeah, that's a good question actually. Well, many things here. One is I do work with irrigation and plant-water relations. That means I need weather information. And when I came here, we didn't have. There are some, but not where we need. So as an experiment station here, and the other experiment station as well, it's really very important to have such an information, you know, to have a monitoring of the environmental conditions where you're working. That's let's say the importance of this information for research. As for farmers need to know, for example, how temperature varies during the day for them to have better decisions on the application of chemicals. Farmers need to know what is the evapotranspiration for them to have better decisions on irrigation water amounts. We also need to know soil temperature, and we monitor soil temperature at 4 different depths. Soil temperature is very important for several reasons, but the most important reason maybe is to determine when you can plant.
Yeah.
You know, soil temperature determines whether or not you're going to be successful if you're planted. You know, for conditions in Wyoming where it's very variable, it's really something that we should have